Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to save a PowerPoint presentation with animation step by step. I'll be showing this on Windows. Click on the File tab. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to save a PowerPoint presentation with animation step by step. I'll be showing this on Windows. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. This opens the Backstage view, where you'll see a sidebar menu with options like Save, Save As, and Open. If this is a new presentation that you haven't saved yet, click Save As. If you're updating an existing file, you can just click Save. When you click Save As, you'll see a screen showing different location options like OneDrive, this PC, or Browse. Choose where you want to save the file. If you want it on your local drive, select this PC. If you want cloud storage, pick OneDrive. After you select a location, the file browser window opens. Navigate to the folder where you want to save the presentation, then click in the file name field at the bottom of the dialog box. Type in your file name. The default is usually something like Presentation 1, but you'll want to give it a name that works for you. The current folder path shows at the top of the dialog, so you know exactly where it's going. Next, check the Save as Type drop-down menu just below the file name field. It should show PowerPoint presentation with the .ptx extension by default. This is the format you want. It preserves all your content, animations, transitions, and any embedded media. Don't change this unless you specifically need a different format. Finally, click the Save button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. The window closes, the file saves to your chosen location, and you'll see your file name appear in the title bar at the top of PowerPoint. A couple of quick tips: if you need to share the presentation with someone who doesn't have PowerPoint installed, you can export it as a video. Go to File, then Export, then create a video, and save it as an MP4 file. The video will include all your animations and transitions. Also, if you want the presentation to open directly in slideshow mode with animations intact, use Save As and change the file type to PowerPoint Show, which uses the .psx extension. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.